Hi gang, welcome back! Hi! Today we have something a little bit weird, wacky, different, which is kind of our thing.
Yeah.
We love things that are strange.
I'm super excited for this.
So, how this came to be, and we'll tell you what it is in a second, on stream I offhand mentioned Bob Ross, because Peanut likes to paint. I know nothing about Bob Ross. I said the name and things just kind of escalated incredibly quickly.
It snowballed and it escalated. It became something insane, but I'm super excited to show everybody.
So, we were building an HG Nu Gundam, and you were going to turn it into Bob Ross.
Initially, yeah.
But then we decided to give chat the opportunity to vote on which of the 3 iconic Bob Ross paintings that you chose would be painted onto the HG Nu Gundam.
We thought it would be a good idea to get the community's opinion.
Yes.
And I'm so glad we did, because I was initially going to pick something else, but I can't picture what happens any other way. Yeah.
And then finishing touches to end off the kit, it still kind of looks like Bob Ross.
A little bit.
It's, you know what, we're just going to get on into it. How's that?
Show you. Okay, so this is the kit that Smiley had built a few months back. Regular HG Nu. It was a lot of fun. Did it on stream. Great. And this is what it looks like now.
Yes!
So some of you may be confused. So let me introduce you to the new Bob Ross. So to give some context, I'm going to leave him right up here, right up front and center. There you go. For context, back in the day, I was an art student. And being an art student, you learn art history. And I learned about Bob Ross. And I used to watch Bob Ross's reruns of The Joy of Painting. It brought me so much joy, and I found him an inspiration because he kind of helped me understand, and he taught me that it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have fun with it, you accept those happy little accidents, and you love the outcome regardless. So fast forward to now, when we asked the community which of the 4 Bob Ross paintings would look best on the new, the Neon Lights painting was chosen. So we did this a few months back, and the tools and paints I used for this was kind of what I had on hand. The tools I used, they were paintbrushes from the dollar store, and you can obviously see I put them to work, especially this one. This one, I'm surprised I haven't thrown it out yet, has cat hair all over it, bent out of shape. It has seen better days, but I used what I had. And for paints, primarily used Vallejo Mecha paint in yellow, red, blue. These were the first paints that I ever got. White, black, and then near the very end of the paint, green. Before, I was mixing yellow and blue to make different shades of green. It wasn't ideal, but it was what I had. I had very little to my disposal, but I had a dream, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It isn't perfect by any means, but it reminded me why I love painting and being able to combine my 2 favorite hobbies. So much joy. I'm so happy this idea became real, and I actually stuck through it because it was really difficult. I'd painted Bob Ross before on a flat canvas, but let me tell you, it is a different beast doing a 3D, smaller scale kind of paint, but it was fun. Here's a bit more of a close-up. The idea was, thank you! So the idea was, it's the mountains and the neon lights, there's a forest, a snowy forest, and a calm lake, and a little cabin. So I tried my best to put that on here, and I will say, the new having the funnels acting as a backdrop, oh, chef's kiss.
Show them the booty!
Show them the booty! I'll have to take his funnels off, hold on. Showing you the booty. Enhance the booty. You can see his little cabin. His little cabin booty. Oh dear. So we did try to incorporate the whole painting somewhere. And then, of course, the Bob Ross tribute, the iconic afro, and of course, a paintbrush, and his own little easel to paint on. So, of course, he painted this himself, and it looks really good.
He had a Toy Story moment.
He came to life, put the afro on, and he got to work. So, I'm so happy. Again, it's far from perfect, but it's creative, and it's different, and it made me happy. And that's all that matters. To enjoy Gunpla, you don't have to paint them, you don't have to panel line them. You can just build them. You don't even have to sand or polish them. But if you're interested, live vicariously through us. Or challenge yourself, pick something wacky and different, and then just do it. Don't be afraid to fail, and just do it. Because you learn that way. And then keep us posted, because we will want to see whatever you do. So, I know this is a little bit different in shorter content, but if you guys like this kind of thing, maybe we can do this more personal kind of stuff more often.
Yeah, I was really, really proud with what you did with this kit.
Thank you! I'm so happy.
You didn't have the proper paints, you didn't have the proper tools, and you still made it work. You killed it. You killed that brush.
I killed this brush, and I killed the paint. Thank you.
Thank you for coming!
Thanks for watching!